Hey guys, so this week's product focus will be the Thick Chick Split Personality and the Therapy Booster Oil. So I'm going to be trying for the first time the Thick Chick, and I'm going to combine it with the oil and the Split Personality, and let's see how it goes.
I start with 2 pumps of thick chick on roots to bring volume, and 2 more pumps and 3 drops of split personality to mid shaft and ends. And then I like to blow dry my hair in one big curl. Because it gives me control and different dimensions of curls. And then I proceed to put 3 drops of therapy booster oil with a flat iron to seal my hair cuticle and maximize shine. And then I finish with the diffuser for more volume on the ends.